Alright guys, let's get this cracked open. What we're going to do with this one, and this is the first time I've used these, I'm going to use the rivets. Use a little button head rivets like that. I think I should have, there we go. Got her down there good enough. Get another one here and test that front one. Oh yeah. There we go. So that's what I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to do the little button head rivets on there. Time to dip it in the stripper. Coming off nicely. Go ahead and get this off and give her a wash. We'll be back to assess the body. Okay, so for what I want to do with this project, I'm going to need to polish up this body and get it, well, I'd like to get it as much of a mere shine as I possibly could. And you'll see later as we progress through why I want to do that. So I'm going to get a few of the little nooks and crannies picked out of there. There's not a whole lot left on there. Then we're going to need to polish this, but what I want to do is I want to pick out my wheels and make sure that I get a good fit. I'm going to have to grind them posts down so I don't have a base that's fighting me on a good fit here. There, see how it snaps? I don't really want it to snap, but I want to make sure that I get some wheels and tires in there that fit good and I got no problems come assembly time. So that's what we're going to do right now. Okay, with this plastic base, we got the tabs. As you can see, I just pulled the axles out of there on the stock axles. I'm going to try and open those up just a little bit. And what I got some nice fatties for the back, skinnies on the front. They're basically 5-spoke. See if we can get it popped in, see what kind of fitment we got here. Looks like they're a little wide, so might want to get some kind of a spacer in there. let's see what the back looks like. And that's not bad at all. And be honest with you, if I just center those up, and these are freewheel on the axle, just glue those in. I really won't have a problem with these back ones. Put these front ones in here for the time being. Just kind of see what stance we got on here. Yeah, we're going to have to drop that axle. We're going to have to lower that axle down in. The diameter of the tires are hitting the fender wells there. Okay, now off camera, I took this little Dremel bit, little pointed mill bit there, and ground down the fender well just enough so I had some clearance in there for them big meaty rears that I'm putting in. Just went in through there and ground that down. Okay, now I'm going to make my alcohol ink concoction with the quick clear that I typically use, added with the hardener, and we're going to do a quick application. Got the body prepped up, so we're going to head to the paint booth and get this taken care of. Okay, I'm finished painting, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a tonneau cover for the bed out of some styrene. And I've also got some real thin wood strips that I'm going to put over top. Alright, I got the body painted. And it's all dried up. Looking pretty good. Not too shabby. What we're going to start right now is I've got my stencil cut off my Cricut and the adhesive vinyl. We're going to mask this off so that I can paint. I'm going to use an opaque crimson red in an acrylic. So let's get this all masked off so that we can get the stencil on, get that painted up, and see how she turns out. I did the decal work and some details and a final clear coat to seal everything in, but I did not want to spoil the reveal on which alcohol theme that I did, which is coming up now.